Hello guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing of a laptop just got from Flipkart. The laptop is HP Notebook 15S fr1004tu. So let's go. Here comes the box of the laptop. As you can see on the box, it is written Intel inside, and this logo says it includes Office, Home and Students, and said don't forget to activate. On this side, as we can see, the HP branding which says that it is manufactured in March 2020 and its MRP is 45,711, and there are some more brandings from HP. On the other side, we have HP laptop 15S FR1004tu. Some of its specifications are: it contains Intel Core i3 10th generation Core i3 processor. It is acquired with 512 GB SSD, that is solid state drive. It comes with 4 GB DDR4 SDRM and it has no optical drive. It comes with pre-equipped Windows 10. It has a 15.6-inch FHD resolution and its panel is IPS, and there are 3 cells, 41 watt hour battery, and this is some branding from Windows. So let's open the laptop. On the starting, we have some paperwork which sets setup instructions, etc., as you can see. And here comes the laptop. So firstly, we will keep it aside and see what other contents are there in the box. There is a 65 watt charger. It pre-equipped this, as you can see. And its adapter, and then it's empty, nothing. So now let's come to the laptop. As you can see, this is the laptop of shining color. This is the latest laptop of HP. As you can see, its color, it's shining colors. It shines and it's very slim, as you can see from front side. It has a charging port, 2 USB 3.0 generation port. On the other side, it have one HDMI port, one Type-C USB port, some indicators, a headphone microphone jack, and an SD card slot. After booting and setting up the laptop, here comes the laptop. So I have already set it up and booted it, and it's a very good laptop. Let me now show you its boot speed. So I have set it at the Windows, etc. Now it's a very good laptop. See the booting speed at which it boots. As you can see, today's time, dates, and Wi-Fi connection, battery, etc. So now let's open the laptop. As you can see, from inside, yeah, I was just doing some work before it was gone. What I showed you. As you can see, the camera, it's centrally located and is have very narrow bezels. As you can see on the keyboard is very good. It's come with a chiclet keyboard, that is very good, but it doesn't have a backlit keyboard. So thank you guys for watching the review of this laptop. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.